This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the essentials and logging into the TU Student Portal. Why? The portal triggers verification and fee payment, so do this first. Once logged, upload scanned ID, original mark sheet images, and your no-dues letter. Make sure files meet size and format rules. Also note the migration fee amount and payment method. Pay immediately if required. This prevents delays later when the office needs physical verification. Next, you fill the migration form with precise destination university details and your last examination info, because errors cause rejection. Once done, pay via portal or obtain a challan. Upload the payment receipt to the application. Then follow TU instructions for verification. Either book an appointment for department sign-off or mail certified hard copies. Make sure to track the application number and keep receipts. Finally, you will get a notification when the migration certificate is ready. Download the digital copy or collect the printed certificate from the examination branch as instructed. Once done, verify name spelling and university code to avoid future transfer issues. If there is a delay, use your application number to contact the registrar or department. Explain the missing item clearly. Troubleshoot. Check for unpaid dues, mismatched fee amounts, or incomplete uploads. Resubmit or correct immediately to resolve the holdup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.